Dermasuri Deep Exfoliating Mitt is a unique body scrub that visibly removes dead skin instantly. See gray rolls of dead skin as you exfoliate. Healthy skin is revealed instantly using the mitt and water only. Unlike a loofah or scrub, you only need to use this once every 2 weeks or so. To get started, step into the shower, bath, or steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Your skin needs time to wash off prior soaps and cells to steam. Do not apply any soaps or lotions to the body. The fabric relies on friction. Soaps and lotions create a film which makes the skin surface too slippery for the fabric to grab the skin. Squeeze away excess water from the mitt, leaving the mitt slightly damp. Exfoliate using vigorous upward and downward strokes until you see dead skin cells roll away. Repeat for each section of your body. Apply pressure for optimal results. After you step out of the shower, use your favorite lotion or oil and notice it will be absorbed much better than before.